Hello friends, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we will discuss about how we can close our KOHO account. If you are new on my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon. First of all, open the website of KOHO. After opening the website of KOHO, then scroll down. After scroll down, you see an option of contact. In contact section, then click on contact. After click on contact, there is a mail. Mail in mail section you can directly mail or you can directly contact with assistant. When you click on contact, there is an assistant. Ask him to close your account. It will close your account, but it's a policy. You must have a $0 in your account. If you have some money in your account, then the assistant will not cancel or close your account. First, must watch your account. It is a possible to close your account if you don't have money in your account. If you have money in your account, it will not the assistant or the website will not close your account. Thanks for watching.